So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just these 3 questions to answer on the topic forms of government. So guys, this video will be about the presidential system of government. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as we have just 3 questions to answer here. Question number 1 here says, in the presidential system of government, the leader is basically the head of the state, and A, government, B, the police, C, the judiciary, D, the military. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, that's government. And that's it for this question. Let's get on to the next one, guys. So the next question here, question number 2 says, abolition of civil liberty is an attitude of A, military government, B, republic government, C, parliamentary government, D, presidential government. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, that's military government. And that's it for this question. Let's move on to the next and last question, guys. So the last question here, question number 3 of 3 says, a system where all executive powers are vested in one person is called A, cabinet system, B, monarchical system, C, presidential system, D, parliamentary system. So guys, that's presidential system, option C here, and that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.